Hello everyone, welcome to Coders Camp. We are the seventh video of Cypress automation crash course. So far we have covered integrating our Cypress with IDE, running terminal commands in Visual Studio Code, and covered common commands that are used to interact with web pages. So today in this video we are going to see what is Cypress Fixtures. So Cypress Fixtures used to load static data to our program. So here in our folder structure, you can see another folder before integration, which is Fixture, inside which you will have a sample example JSON file. So these fixture files are nothing but they are used to represent a static data. So these can be used when your API is down, you don't have access to read your data and stuff. So you can hard code your data here and use it further in your test. So here they have given example.json fixture, which is in JSON format, but your fixture files can also be in other formats like this, and you can have it in your XML, HTML, and other formats mentioned in the screen. So now we are going to see how we are going to hard code the data and use it in our tests. So I'm going to have a test fixture or JavaScript. Here I'm going to type in my basic code before entering into the actual coding part of fixture. So here is a sample code that actually launch our blog site, and click on the link forum, and in the text box it will type welcome. So I don't want to give the direct value here. Instead I want to read the data from my fixture file. So here is my fixture file example.json. So you can create your own file of your own name, but I'm going to use the same thing here. So let me delete whatever here inside it. So I'm going to give search term 1 arrays, search term 2 strings. So here I have three search terms in my fixture. So let me save this file and go back to my test fixture.js. So here instead of welcome, I'm going to take my any of the search term given in the example.json and send this data to my UI. So to do that, I'm going to have a command cy.fixture. So inside this, I'm going to specify my file name. The point to be noted here is we did not specify the extension because the cy.fixture will search for the files in this order in our fixture folder. If our fixture file is not in the same path or same folder, you should specify the path here. If suppose it is in C colon, then we need to specify C colon slash user slash etc. But since this example.json is in our same project folder, we don't have to specify the path. Instead, just name is enough without extension. So now we have called this function in fixture. Then we are going to give the then function, because as we saw already, then function will pick whatever this function execute the output. So inside that we are going to create a variable value. So here value is going to hold all the values in our fixture file. So now value is having all the data which is in example.json. So I'm going to use search term 1. So I'm copying this command. This is the command to click on the text box present in the forum screen. So inside welcome, I'm going to replace it with value dot search term 1. So yes, here this value is holding the data of example.json. I'm going to access each variable by giving that name dot and the term we have exactly given in the example.json. So let me save this and run. So yes, if you see, it has typed arrays in this text box. So we have specified search term 1 as arrays only. So if I'm changing search term 2 here, it is going to pick the exact value here in the search term 2 and type in that value in the text box. So now we have seen this inside it function. If suppose we are having more than 10 its and every field want to access data from the fixture file. So we don't have to define it every time here inside each it. Instead, I'm going to use a before each method. Load fixture. Inside that, let me declare a global variable, user details. So this is an user defined variable. This can be anything as you like. So inside that, I'm gonna put the cy.fixture, and so here I have my user details as a user defined variable. In that variable, I'm gonna assign this value is equal to value. So we have created a global variable which is actually holding the value of the fixture files details. So now I'm gonna remove the fixture here inside, and here instead of value I'm going to give user details dot search term 1. So this is actually going to take the search term and type in. Same way I'm going to have one more it. Let me copy paste the same code and change it to test2. So this is going to perform the same operation, that is launching the URL, clicking on the forum link and click on the text box, and I'm going to type search term 3. So let us see whether this common before each method picks the value in example.json and pass it to all the its. So let us save it and go to our UI. So first it has typed arrays. Now it has typed strings. Yes, the both of our tests has been passed. So inside, if you see, it has typed arrays, and in after screenshot you could see that. Same way in test 2, it has typed strings, and you can see it has typed strings in the text box. So this is how you do fixtures, that is you create the file as you like in whichever extension you like, and once the data is hard coded you can access it to cy.fixture. So hope this video is useful. Look forward for more coding in Cypress. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe. Thank you.